You've probably heard people that are obsessed with Notion. But what actually is it? So, simply put, right, Notion is a digital workspace that brings your documents, your notes, and your project management together into like one collaborative platform. Think of it like this: it's like a massive digital whiteboard. Instead of having Google Docs for writing, Trello for tasks, and Slack for finding company information, Notion pulls it all together. So you can write simple text, but then you can embed a checklist, a calendar, or a whole database right into the very same page. The secret sauce of Notion is that it is completely customizable, so you can change anything you want. Everything is built using things called blocks. A block can be a piece of text, an image, or a task. You can just drag and drop them to build exactly what you need, whether that's a personal habit tracker or a massive product roadmap. So that's up to you. Lately, Notion has leveled up by building artificial intelligence, that is your everyday AI, directly into the workspace. You can ask a question to the agent and about your notes, and you have an AI summary of your meeting transcripts, or even let tax routing agents assign and prioritize your work automatically. The best part is that you can get Notion for free to test it out. If your digital life feels messy, Notion might just be the perfect fix for you. Subscribe if this helped you, and let me know in the comments what tech tool we should cover next.